Welcome to our detailed look at the 2025 Ram Dodge 2500, the heavy-duty truck that redefines power, capability, and luxury. Designed to handle the toughest jobs while delivering an unmatched driving experience, the 2025 Ram 2500 is the ultimate combination of brute strength and modern refinement. Let's dive into what makes this truck a standout in its class. Starting with performance, the 2025 Ram 2500 offers a range of powerful engine options to suit your needs. The base model comes equipped with a 6.4L Hemi-Vate engine that delivers incredible towing and hauling capabilities. For those seeking maximum power, the legendary 6.7L Cummins Turbo Diesel engine is available, offering up to 1075 lE-fifths of torque. Whether you're towing a trailer, hauling equipment, or tackling off-road adventures, this truck is built to get the job done with ease. The exterior of the 2025 Ram 2500 combines ruggedness with a bold modern design. The updated grille, redesigned LED headlights, and muscular stance give it a commanding presence on the road. Optional off-road packages include skid plates, all-terrain tires, and upgraded suspension, making it ready for any challenge. Adding in a variety of bed and cab configurations, and the Ram 2500 is as versatile as it is powerful. Inside, the 2025 Ram 2500 offers a level of luxury rarely seen in heavy-duty trucks. Premium materials, leather upholstery, and real wood accents create a sophisticated cabin. The available 12-inch touchscreen with Uconnect 5 system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected. Digital driver display, multiple USB ports, and an available 17-speaker Harman Kardon sound system ensure the cabin is as functional as it is comfortable. Safety and technology are also top priorities. The 2025 Ram 2500 comes equipped with advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Trailer safety is enhanced with features like trailer sway control and a trailer brake controller, giving you confidence on every journey. The 2025 Ram Dodge 2500 is more than just a truck. It's a statement of strength, innovation, and comfort. Whether you're working hard or playing harder, this truck has everything you need to tackle the day. If you're excited about the 25 Ram 2500, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for updates. Let us know in the comments, how'd you use the power of this incredible truck?